Hello guys, today I'm recording from beautiful Lofoten. It's a peninsula far north in Norway. It's the home to pretty Arctic beaches, stunning landscapes. I guess you've already seen it. And also some pretty cool people. Today I'm going to tell you the story about a few people who did something pretty cool during the course of a winter. They built a shelter, a really cool shelter. It's like a Hobbit hole, really quirky and charming. And yeah, I'm gonna give you all the details, but first we need to hike down before the sun sets, and hopefully I'll find a shelter. Okay, so I'm sat in the Hobbit hole, tiny home, and it's just amazing to imagine how I spent a winter here. And it's so small in here, really tiny. Yeah, I'll come back tomorrow and give you the full detailed history about this secret cabin, this tiny home, Hobbit hole thing. Okay, so we are back, and it's a bit lighter today and easier to show you guys. So I wanted to tell you the story about this shelter real quick. So basically there were two guys who just decided to go on an adventure. They wanted to spend a winter at this lovely beach, and of course, in order to survive the Arctic temperatures during winter, you need a good shelter. So they just found things on the beach, things that the waves have just washed ashore.
Driftwood and garbage.
It's basically like just a sustainable, reused home.
They even have like roof windows and everything, even a sink.
And it's just turned out to something really charming, and it feels like so much history, even though it's just a few years ago they built it. And now it's just collected a lot of relics and stuff, and of course pictures of the ones who built it and spent the winter here. They made a movie, like a documentary from their journey, and it's called North of the Sun. It's really cool, and just seeing the story behind how this was built and how they spent their winter here, I think it's worthwhile.
Pretty crazy. Really impressive. Okay, so this is the place. A really, really cozy Hobbit hole. Okay, let's do the tour. So we have, I think it's meant to be sleeping area for two. You have one here, and on the corner here is a kind of a small bed, but I think you can attach this wooden panel, this one. And here they have a sweet little kitchen, even with a sink and everything. And I see there's a pipe going down there, so I think it's been in function at least. They have some drawers made from plastic bottles, some games. They have some shelf. Of course the Norwegian king is represented, and I think we have our queen here as well. And I think they made this by hand. I'm not sure what it's called in English. It's meant to give sweet dreams. And here they have left all of their spices. It's kind of sweet. And there's like cute words and greetings all over the walls. And just decorations. And they have a built-in window here. I'm not sure if it's... yeah, it's glass. And they have a roof seating as well. It gives really nice lighting in here. have all the wood and an oven, which probably kept them warm and kept them alive during the cold winter. And if they went swimming, they probably needed something to dry up all their clothes, so but this one was really handy. And here they've made some shelves. And there's actually quite a lot of like equipment here. They have like hiking shoes, a ball, a jacket, even a towel. I think everything you need you have here to survive.